everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with me Shorthand. In today's video, we are going to learn the alternative signs for R and H. In shorthand, we have 24 consonants and we have 26 strokes. It's because R and H have two alternative signs for them. The reason for having the alternative signs for R and H is to have easier joining with the other strokes and also for indicating the difference between an initial or a final vowel sound. First, we'll see what are the alternative signs of R. For consonant R, we have one upward stroke and one downward stroke. Let's see when we have to use the downward R and upward R. For easy understanding, I classified this into initial R and final R. Initial R is when a word has R sound at the beginning of a word, and final R is when a word has R sound at the end of the word. Let's see the rules for initial R. Initial R is written downward when preceded by a vowel sound. That is, when a word starts with a vowel sound followed by R sound, then we should use downward R to write the word. Let's see some examples to understand this rule better. Here I have taken the word Arab and array for examples. The word Arab starts with a vowel sound followed by R. So we should use downward R to write this word. Arab. Similarly, we should write for array. Array. The next rule for initial R is written upward when it is followed by a vowel sound. That is, when a word starts with the R sound followed by a vowel sound, then we should use upward R to write the word. For this, I have taken an example word rush and rally. Here, the word rush starts with the R sound followed by a vowel sound. So we have to use upward R to write this word. In similar way, we have to write the word rally. Rally. Let's move on to the rules of final R. Final R is written downward when a word ends with the sound R. That is, when a word ends with the sound R, we should use downward R to write the word. For example, I have taken the words dare and fear. In this word dare, we have R sound at the end of the word. So we should use downward R to write this word. D-R. Similarly, we have to use downward R to write the word fear. Let's see the next rule for final R. Final R is written upward when it is followed by a vowel sound. That is, when a word ends with the R sound followed by a vowel sound, we should use upward R to write the word. Here, I have taken the word curry for example. Curry ends with the R sound followed by E sound. E is a vowel sound. So we should use upward R to write the word. Similarly, we have to use upward R to write the word rotary. We should ignore these rules when a word has R sound immediately followed by M sound. So R is written downward when R is written initially before M. For example, I have taken the word Rome. Rome has R sound immediately followed by M sound. Though it has vowel sound between R and M, we should use downward R to write the word. Next, let's move on to the consonant H. H also has a downward stroke and an upward stroke. Rules for downward H and upward H are when a H sound stands alone or when immediately followed by K or G, it should be written downward. And upward stroke is the most commonly used stroke. If a word does not follow the rules of downward H, then we should use the upward H to write the word. Downward H, the examples are hay, hockey, hog. The first word is hay. The word hay stands alone, so we should use downward H to write this word. Similarly, we have to use downward H to write the words hockey and hog because in these words the H is followed by K and G. For upward H, the example word is hood. Hood does not follow the rules for downward H, so we are using upward H to write this word. Upward H and D. Hood. So these are the rules to write alternative signs for R and H. If you don't practice, you don't deserve to win. Said by Andre Agassi. So practice more words to understand the exercises better. If you think this video is useful for you, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment it below. Thank you for watching this video.